Sabine,
Glud.
these are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician, band, artist, for now and forever.
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yep.
It always changes.
Yep. Right now.
I'm a very big fan of Khaled.
Khaled?
Not like DJ Khaled, but
That's how
Khaled.
I thought you were.
Khaled, like
There's another
Young,
one?
Dumb and Broke. Like Young, Dumb,
Good.
Young, Dumb. No, it doesn't.
No, DJ?
Okay. What?
Is he a DJ?
No,
producer?
no.
He's an
like
artist.
he's an artist, and then another Danish guy called Carl Emil Petersen.
What kind of music is that?
I feel like I never really know. Like I would usually say I'm kind of into like indie pop, and like those kind of vibes.
Bands playing instruments? Are they sort of bands playing instruments?
Yeah, but then I kind of like. I also kind of enjoy. I don't listen to it a lot, but when they're more like reggae vibes
nice.
too, and like I never know how to describe my music taste. I feel like it's easier to like play songs than I'm like, this is what I like. But I like a lot. Like I listen to a lot of Danish music, so it's kind of difficult for me to.
Right. Well, that's great. Let's share some Danish artists. But your favorite is Khaled. Who are we putting down on the website? If I have to put down one person, Khaled at the moment.
Yeah, but that's kind of like I just like this one album.
Right.
I feel like Carl Emil Petersen
For all time.
used to be in a band called Uli Nummer, and now he's on his own. Mm-hmm. So I feel like I've liked him for a very long time.
So you're going to put him down, but not for all time, right? All time is who?
It's too big a question.
Give me someone that you loved so deeply. Of course, it's a big question. We don't mess around here. No,
but to me, like music is something that says a lot about a person.
Yes.
So I want it to be the right person that stands there, and I'm not sure who that is.
Who represents you, body and soul?
Yeah, let's say Carl Emil Petersen for now, and then we'll see.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, now favorite song and album, that now and for all time, same deal.
My favorite song is right now at the time is Solen skinner altid på den anden side af skyen.
That's the funniest thing I've ever heard.
Which is the thing. It means the sun always shine on the other side of the clouds.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love that. That's very.
It's a very pretty name. I like it. Yeah.
And long.
Yeah, very long. I kind of like I think the reason why I like Danish music is also that I feel like it's easier to understand the lyrics.
Of course.
Because sometimes with like all the music going on and like if you're walking, like if it's in English and someone is mumbling, I don't know what they're saying and I don't care what they're saying. I'm just like, meh.
Yes.
Where I feel like in all the Danish songs, I sense the story and stuff. Yeah. Yes.
So,
and all-time favorite?
An album? Who is that by then, that song with the long funny name?
I'm pretty sure the band is called Bofinkevej. But it's like I only listened to like 2 of their songs, and it's kind of like recently I experienced them.
Are there thousands and thousands of homegrown Danish bands and musicians?
Yeah, there's a lot of Danish music. And there's a lot of nice Danish music.
You're so lucky.
The
album.
Yeah, that must be Carl Emil Petersen again. Has an album.
He's the dude. What's the name? What's
the name of the album? I'm not really sure. I could name you like all the songs in it, but I'm not really sure what the album name is. You could DM me. Yeah.
We'll do that. Favorite TV show? No, first of all, movie, recent, and all time. Do you go to the film flicks? Do you go to the movies?
Yeah, I go to we have a movie theater in Allerød, which is like small and it's volunteers that
Oh wow.
works there, and it's very nice. Like very small community.
Can you
like
eat
hello
there?
and no.
Okay.
Like popcorn and stuff, but no.
Right.
But like you always know someone when you go there.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. So I like to go there. But like
What have you seen recently that you liked?
I kind of like either like I watched on the plane. I watched the movie Coco, like a Disney movie.
Yeah. Was that about Mexico?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah, I liked it because it made me both like happy and sad. Like
nice. What more do you want? What more could the director have done? Laughter and tears. So Coco, but then for all time.
It depends on which mood I'm in. I've seen stuff like Mamma Mia or the girls with the traveling pants or what it's called. And stuff like that. Like those. I usually watch movies too.
Those are comedies, right? Or
it's like feel good movies.
Yes.
And I like that because sometimes I use it for
therapy.
Like for example, if you're sitting in a plane and you just want to be like,
of course,
but you just want to feel happy. I like to feel happy after watching a movie. I don't like to watch like thrillers and stuff.
So horror is not your genre.
No, I'm very much of a feel good movie
family
kind of. Yeah, like enjoyable movies, like just having a good time while I watch them.
So we're going Mamma Mia. Is that what we're boiling it down to?
Yeah.
Meryl Streep, the original one, right? Yes, the original Mamma Mia.
It's just like that's the movie you could always put on, like, and you would be happy.
Exactly, I love that. Actor, actress.
No. I don't know anything about actors or actresses, and
you don't go to the movie knowing that.
Oh yeah, my favorite actor could be Hugh Grant, but I may be very influenced by my mother because that's her favorite actor.
He's her movie idol.
Yeah,
and literally the model yesterday, it was Hugh Grant too.
Yeah, but so he's in all the feel-good movies.
He's having a run, and all of those. What do they want? What are the English one? Do you know the ones I mean?
Bridget Jones.
Bridget Jones.
Yeah. They're in my heart too.
They're
I love
great.
it. Yeah, they're all great.
She's fantastic. What's her name? She's American, playing an English woman.
Oh, the actress.
Yes. What's her name?
I don't know. I don't know any names. I know like Hugh Grant and like I know all the.
Her big movie breakout was Jerry Maguire. Have you seen Jerry Maguire? Oh, please tell me that you have. You've seen Jerry Maguire.
Is it a movie?
Yes, with Tom. What's his name? Cruise. Tom Cruise. And Renee Zellweger is who we're talking about. Bridget Jones is played by Renee Zellweger. She's a Texan or something. She's an American actress.
And
when she came on the scene, exploded onto the scene with Jerry Maguire about a sports agent who decides he's going to completely do it differently, and his relationship with his client, a football star played by Cuba Gooding Jr. You have to go. Please do me a favor. Go this afternoon. Literally. After we've finished.
Is it in the
Netflix.
theaters right now? Or
no,
is
no,
it
no,
on
no,
Netflix?
no, Netflix,
oh, okay.
Netflix.
Okay,
Jerry,
so Sound of Music on Saturday and...
Jerry Maguire today. Jerry Maguire.
You need to text me.
I'll text.
Yeah.
It's flipping fantastic. It is a deep film while making you feel good at the same time.
Oh, yeah. Those are
Funny.
the best kind, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you come away with learning something. There's love. You'll love it.
I also love like movies based on a true story.
And you love Renee Zellweger.
Yeah. Sounds like it.
It's a fucking perfect storm for you.
Actually, I was thinking like, because I think I have like time tonight to just lay down and chill.
At
and I was
home.
like, what should I do? Because
fucking Jerry Maguire is what you're going to be doing.
I'm going to do.
Actress? I'm going to say Renee Zellweger.
Yeah. Go ahead.